Sintra X review. Is this AI tool worth it? 2025. So, Sintra AI is a multi-agent business automation platform offering 12 specialized AI helpers like Cassie for customer support, Soshi for social media, Dexter for data analysis, Pen for copywriting, tied together by a central context-aware brain AI. Containing your business data, it seamlessly integrates with tools like Gmail, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Google Calendar. And the pros are productivity boost. Users report saving 15 hours per week with streamlined content creation, support, customer support, and automated insights. And broad functionality. Proactive assistance, unlike passive chatbots, Sintra suggests ideas and questions daily basis on your brain AI inputs, and scalable and multi-language, supports 100 plus languages, and fast response like users mentioned response time around 190 ms, making interactions feel smooth. And the cons are learning curve and setup. Full value require feeding the brain AI and training agents, a setup that make take time, and integration gaps and bugs, agent isolation, pricing consideration. Like the pricing is $97 per month, full access, and $39 per user per month. And support and reputation concerns, like if users mention support delays, reviews are mostly positive, but a few negative on ones hint in occasional underperformance. And Sintra AI shines for small business owners or solopreneurs who want to automate marketing, customer service, analytics, and content in one platform. And those comfortable feeding and training an AI system, and users valuing AI proactivity and a unified virtual employee suite. So, is Sintra AI worth it? Yes, if you are a business owner seeking to streamline multiple routines, tasks via AI agents, and are ready to invest upfront in training and setup. And maybe not if you're only after lightweight content generation or lag time on onboarding given its price and learning curve. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.